Check this out. So people ask me, Harley, was that fake or what's the deal? Well, it's definitely genuine, and it looks like it's from the World Champs or Olympics recently, judging by everyone's in the national team kit. It's definitely real, but there's a little bit of an illusion going on, a little bit of an optical illusion, because all the riders to the guy's left are zooming past. He's obviously off his bike, already running in road cycling shoes, which is really hard to do, and can only run very slowly, otherwise just slip up. So he's jogging along at maybe 12 kilometers an hour, which is pretty chill, and he's carrying his bike with him, drops the bike, jumps on, cyclocross style, and goes. So it's a bit of an optical illusion, yet it is real. It is real, definitely, but he's not going that fast, it's just the optical illusion. Pretty skilled maneuver though, definitely. Could I do that? Definitely. It's not a very hard thing to do. Anyone who's raced a bit, anyone who's on cyclocross and mountain bike can do that really quickly, easily. Thanks for watching. So definitely real, but a little bit of an optical illusion. Not fake.